Hello, my dear students, how are you? I think you are all very fine. And now we are about to start the mirror formula for class 10th. Mirror formula. Okay, and this is 1 by f equals 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is not in your syllabus, but let's see the derivation also. Yes, beta. Actually, we will see this formula's derivation for both, for concave mirror and convex mirror. And f is focal length of mirror, u is distance of object from the mirror, v is distance of image from the mirror. Okay beta, we'll derivate it. Okay, for concave mirror. Let's see, my dear students. Dear students, now take the figure. This is concave mirror. Mirror M1, M2, and this is pole, focus point, center of curvature, object, OO dash, a rays starting from O travels parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it passes through F, focus point. Another ray start from O, passes through center of curvature. This is M1, M2, passes through center of curvature and strike to the mirror at 90 degree. After reflection, retrace on its path. Both reflected rays interact to each other, meet to each other at point I. I is the image of point O. Take a perpendicular to the principal axis. So, meet at point I dash. I dash is the image of object OO dash. You can see this is real, inverted, smaller than the object between the C and F. And now I want to say to you, this is the distance of the object. U will take with minus sign because opposite direction to the incident ray. and this is the distance of the image will take in negative sign, opposite direction to the incident ray. Okay, so we'll take in minus sign, and this is focal length, opposite direction with negative sign because all the distance is taken from the pole. Okay, and now one thing also want to say to you beta, distance of the center of curvature from the pole, that means to say radius of curvature, capital R with minus sign. Why? Because opposite direction to the incident ray. Okay, and now let's see what is that. Take two triangle O dash C and I dash C. Dear students, these angles are equal. What is this? Is called vertically opposite. These angles are equal 90 degree. So remaining angle also equal. Both triangle are what? दोनों ट्रायंगल कैसे हो गए बेटा? आपको पता है दोनों के सारे एंगल्स क्या हो गए? सेम. तो सिमिलरिटी हो गई दोनों में. So that we know very well that the ratio of corresponding side O dash upon I dash equal to CO upon CO dash upon CI dash. Equation number first. And now take a perpendicular which meet this point at D or M take in triangle AMF and triangle O dash C I dash F. I dash F. Vertically opposite 90 degree, remaining angle. So both triangle are similar. Okay, then these triangles and these triangles are similar. So that ratio of AM upon I dash is equal to PF upon, that means to say MF, not PF, MF upon I dash F. Okay, but you know very well AM upon AM upon I dash and MF upon I dash F. Okay, correct. You know beta, AM is approx to be what? Equal, because this is parallel. AM is equal to O dash. And now if aperture is very small, very small, then P is nearest to M. M is nearest to P. So we can write now here M is nearest to P. MF is equal to PF. So that from here AM is equal to OO dash upon II dash, MF is equal to PF upon I dash F, equation number second. So from first and second, CO dash upon CI dash, CO dash upon CI dash, PF upon I dash F. My dear students, CO dash, all the distances taken from P, actually सारे distance हमको pole से लेने हैं. So CO dash can be written as what is PO dash minus PC. PO dash minus PC. That is meaning of CO dash. CI dash can be written as PC minus CI dash, PC minus PI dash. Okay beta. And now PF is directly from the pole, so no change. I dash F can be written as PI dash minus PF. So that is I dash F, because all the distances taken from the pole. Let's see. Dear students, now PO dash, distance of object, will be minus U and minus PC, PC, that is minus R. My dear students, PC minus R minus PI dash is minus P equals PF, my dear students, that is minus F, and PI dash minus P, distance of image, minus PF, that is minus F. So now minus F minus V plus F, my dear students, F is equal to R by 2, so R is equal to 2F. So put up here 2F. I am so glad to tell you that I will provide you the notes by the link in provided description. So take a multiplication with both minus U multi minus V. That will be, see here, minus U multi minus V UV and minus V multi 2F minus 2VF plus F multi U minus UF plus 2F square minus 2F square. I'm so sorry because here sign minus. Beta, this is minus R. R is equal to 2F. So always minus here. So this is plus 2F square and minus FV. I'm sorry. Minus FV. Okay. So dear students, it will be cancelled. UV and equals minus FV, 2FV goes there as plus 2FV, then remains FV, and minus UF goes there as plus UF. So divide both sides to the UVF, UV by UVF, FV by UVF UF by UVF. Dear students, here remains 1 by F equals, beta FV cancel out by FV, 1 by U plus UF cancel out by UF, here remains V. 1 upon V, this is the mirror formula for the concave mirror. Actually, this formula is valid for the convex mirror also, but we'll take in next video. Goodbye, take care. Let's meet in next video.